Okay, if you're just joining in, I forgot to click record. So, take a second, pause the video. This is number 1. Okay, so pause it. This is what we ended up getting for our answer. Okay, here is number 2. Okay, again, pause it. You can copy down, and then we're going to start on number 3. So I do apologize, but it is what it is. Okay, so look at number 3. We're going to start off, and I like to write out the whole formula. So we're going to say negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, and so if I go through, which one is my a? Everywhere there's an a, we need to erase and put what?
1.
5? Right here.
Oh.
Hey, that's not nice. A, so right there's a. We're going to put 5. Everywhere there's a b, we're going to erase and put what? 7. And do I got the same sheet as you guys?
-7.
Okay, -7. -7. Everywhere there's a c, we're going to erase and put what?
-24.
-24. Okay, so for the first part, am I going to have a -7 over here or a +7? What am I going to get for this part?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, a minus is going to give me a plus. Okay, so we're going to get 7 plus or minus the square root. Okay, on the bottom, what are we going to get when we times these two? 2 times 5. 10. Okay, and so now we're going to type in everything underneath of the square root. So parentheses, 7, or parentheses, -7, close it, squared. Okay, all of that needs to go underneath. Type it in the calculator. No, how do you have nothing right now, bud? Okay, what do you guys get?
529. Huh?
529, 23.
What?
23?
You did the second step after that.
Oh, okay. You're a step ahead of me. Okay, so 529. Okay, and now if you're confused on the step, okay, I'm gonna pause. Your next step would be to hit the square root button. And we're gonna put in the square root 529. What do you get? And put your number in that you had got just previously. Okay, what do you guys get for that?
23.
23. So you're gonna get 7 plus or minus 23 over 10. Okay, so this side do the plus, this side do the minus.
Three.
Okay, what do we get? 7 plus 23 divided by 10.
3.
3? Somebody agree?
Oh, hold on.
No, you're on the minus side. You just did this last time. You're on the minus side.
Hey, so do we gotta like if we addition, do we gotta put the minus sign on it too?
Yeah, but I'm just separating it so like we can get through the paper. But when you do your side, you'll have to do it 2 times. One with the minus, one.
Let me answer this one. I did it.
Let's see what you got.
-8.
Is he right?
-8 over 5? Yeah.
You said -8.
That's
You're wrong, bro.
over 5. You didn't even listen to me.
-8 over 5? What'd you say? No, I can't understand.
-8 over 5.
Huh?
Never mind.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Good job. That was right.
Can't park 11 and 12 off.
We'll see.
Oh God.
It's okay. We'll see how you guys do. You've been doing good. Yesterday, in my other class, they worked until the bell rang. Because they were playing around. And they had to take it home or take a 0. So don't be like them. Okay. 7. We're going to say negative. B. What's my B? What's my B? 7. Plus or minus square root of b squared, so 7 squared, minus 4. What is my a? 4. What's my c?
36.
Negative 36. Dora, stop talking. 2 square root or parenthesis 4. Okay, negative 7. What are we going to get for that? Are we going to get a negative 7 or a positive 7? A negative. Okay, so it's going to be negative 7 plus or minus square root. What is going to be on the bottom? What's going to be on the bottom? 8. Okay, 2 times 4 right here is going to be 8. And so we're going to start typing in everything underneath the square root.
Six, two, five.
625?
Yeah.
625. Okay, so now we're going to hit the square root button. Say square root of 625. 25. Okay, so it's going to look like negative 7 plus or minus 25 over 8. Okay, this side do the plus, this side do the minus.
No, I have 4.
You got what?
No, I have 4.
9 over 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody agree on the plus side? Okay. You agree? Okay. What about the minus side? What do we got?
Negative 4.
Negative 4? Somebody agree?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do one more. Okay, number 9. Take a second, look, try to match up. What is the A? What's the B? What's the C? Take a second and look at it. We talked about how you can tell which one is the A, B, and C. Because although it does go A, B, C usually, okay, each one has something that's attached to it. Okay, so what is A? What's A value?
Negative 144.
A is 1, okay? So we know the A is always attached to the x squared. Okay, so whatever's by the x squared is our A. So my A is going to be 1. So A, I'm just going to say equals 1. Okay, what is my B?
Negative 144. Later on,
We don't have one. So if there's no B there, it's a 0. Okay? So the B is always attached by the x squared, or the one that has just an x or just an n with no marker. You with me? Okay, so this one has n squared, so we know that that's the A. The one that has just the n is going to be the B. The one that's just a number all by its lonesome is the C. So B is 0 because it's not there. Okay? And C is negative 144. So the equation really kind of looks like this. 1x squared minus or plus 0x minus 144. That's really what our equation looks like. Okay? So, and after that, it's the same. So we're going to say negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times my a, which is 1, times my c, which is negative 144, all over 2 times my a, which is 1.
do we put negative 0?
So what you're going to quickly find out, 0 is just nothing,
Yeah.
right? So you don't owe any money to someone, or you don't have any money. My pockets are empty at that point. Okay. And so it genuinely doesn't matter, because normally, like on here, you would say 7 plus 25 over 8. Well, if we put 0 plus 25 over 8, it's just 25 over 8, or negative 25 over 8. So it's not going to do anything.
Okay.
So on the outside, we're going to get 0 and or nothing, okay? So we can say 0, you can say negative 0, don't matter. Square root, okay? What are we going to get on the bottom? Bottom. 2. You're saying 576 underneath, I'm presuming? Okay, square root it. What's square root of 576?
24.
Huh?
24.
24? So you got negative 0 plus or minus 24 over 2. Okay, so if we think about this, the 0 really just ends up disappearing because what is the plus, okay, is 24 over 2, which is 12, and the minus is going to give us negative 12. Okay, so the 0 does not do anything. Okay, you guys can cross off number 11 and 12. Okay, so you got 5 to do today on your own. Work by yourself. Work with your group even. Verify numbers. Make sure that they're right. Okay?